Unani medicine is an ancient natural system of healing, with roots in Greek and Arab civilizations. This system focuses not only on treating disease, but on creating balance between body, mind, and nature. Natural herbs play a vital role in Unani medicine, helping the body heal itself from within. These medicines are prepared using traditional methods to preserve their natural strength and effectiveness. The Unani system is based on 4 natural elements: earth, water, air, and fire. From these elements arise 4 humors in the body, whose balance is essential for good health. Unani physicians assess health by checking the pulse to understand the body's internal condition. In Unani treatment, the patient is more important than the disease, and care is personalized for each individual. Unani healing activates the body's natural self-healing power, making treatment gentle and long-lasting. Unani medicines come in the form of syrups, oils, powders, and tablets, designed to work softly with the body. This system supports a healthy digestive process, which improves overall energy and vitality. Unani medicine offers natural solutions for skin conditions, helping restore balance and clarity. It is also effective in reducing stress and mental tension, bringing calmness and emotional stability. Unani therapy helps strengthen the immune system, allowing the body to defend itself naturally. These medicines act gradually without causing harm, promoting safe and steady recovery. The goal of Unani medicine is to maintain harmony within the body's internal systems. Today, Unani medicine continues to evolve, working alongside modern medical science. By encouraging a natural lifestyle, Unani medicine guides us toward better health. Trust between doctor and patient is a key foundation of Unani treatment. Unani medicine delivers a message of healthy living in harmony with nature.